I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please click the like button, and if you want to see more videos of the Robins, click the subscribe button so you can find this channel quickly the next time you're on YouTube. But if you have any constructive comments on how to improve the highlights or full day videos, please leave them in the comments below. Finally, if you enjoyed this video so much that you want to do more than just click the like button, you can give me a tip over at Ko-fi, link in the description below. Goodbye and hope to see you again soon.